We're now going to assemble our Moto style handguard. One of the first things we need to do is we need to put the Delrin bushing onto the handlebar, and it's slit so it just snaps right on there. The next thing that we need to do, we first need to decide these are designed that they can go in the over or the under position depending on the height of your levers. So one of the first things that we need to do is we need to decide these levers are a little bit on the lower way, so we would probably assemble this with them over the lever, but they also, it is side specific, but it can also go into the under, but as you see it's tipped down a little bit too much in the under. So what we'll do is we will put the mount on. We will then use the back cap. We'll use the bolts that are supplied. We'll just start to snug them up. Alright, we're going to get that depending on the angle. Most of the time you try to run them parallel with the ground. We'll just snug the bolt up, snug the bottom one up. Now the tension really depends on how much in a crash you want this to be able to rotate. So I'm going to snug that up just a little bit more than that, and then that's where we have it. Now the next thing we would do is put our shield on.